How to send message to anyone without adding friend on Snapchat. So if you want to send message to anyone without adding friend as a Snapchat, you need to open it up. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply go with the person that you've not added as a friend. So simply tap on any person. Now once you search for the person, you just need to simply tap on it. And here you will have add option, right? But instead of add, you may also have a message button. So you just need to simply tap on snap and it may take you to your chat. But if it doesn't take you to the chat, then what it means is the other person has not turned on the option of contact me. Because if you go with your profile, which is on the top left, and go with settings, which is on the top right, and if you scroll down here, you may have an option of contact me, right? So you just need to simply tap on contact me, and under your contact me, if you've selected only friends and not everyone, then it means other persons will not be able to contact you without adding as a friend. So that's the same process with the others also. So if the others has not set their contact me with everyone, then you won't be able to add them as a friend. In order to send the message to anyone without adding as a friend is not possible. So you just need to simply go with the person, search for them, tap on the profile, tap on add and then tap on snap. Take a snap and send them snap. Once you've sent the snap, then you will have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply tap on that, chat, and you will have the chat, and then you can simply send the message. And after sending the message, you can simply go with the top right, which has that person shaped icon, or just tap on the profile, go with the top right, and then toggle off the option of add and tap on yes, and that's it. You have not added the person, but you can message them. So that's how you can send message to anyone without adding them as a friend. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.